Squishy Land! Welcome to episode 2 of Squishy Land. I'm Squishy Dude 1, and we have a special guest that he's going to help us make the video. We're using his squishies too. Look at his squishies. Characters from his in this episode. Special edition clam. Special edition parrot. Glow in the dark seahorse. The special edition crab and the dolphin. Here is Shane. Shane, don't be silly. This is a serious series, okay? He's really silly sometimes. All right, back to this thing. All right, my squishy characters in this episode. We have Pinky the seal. Speedy the turtle. Dun 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 dun. Jason the special edition lion. Ellie the elephant. Bamboo the koala. Snappers the lobster. Snappy the crab. Midnight the special edition kangaroo, which is our main character. Woozy the penguin. Woozy the penguin, special edition white feet, and also I drew some sunglasses on him. There's Rascal. It was in last episode. The squirrel. Oh my God! There's Hoppy the frog. And finally, Julia, the special edition seal. Hey, I got him. I traded it to him. Shut up, Shane. Here is our first episode. Last time on Squishy Land, Midnight the special edition kangaroo, and Jason the special edition lion made up. Rascal and Speedy have a sneaky plan, except Speedy just can't stop going to sleep. And we're going to start our today's episode Squishy Land! Can Speedy ever stop sleeping? Speedy! 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 Ah! One sec. We're experienced pencil difficulty. Hilarious. Sorry if you hear us giggling. It's so funny to us. Back to the episode. Speedy! Speedy, get up! Speedy! What? What do you want? Help me. Fine. Here's the plan. Dun, dun, dun. Scene 2. Meet the seals. Dun, 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 dun. Hello? 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 Hey, Julia. Hi, you're finally here. I'm the regular crab. That was a special edition. Hello, my name's Gordon. And I am the nerd in the school. And shut up, Gordon! Ah! Hi, I'm the koala. See, I have big ears. I have ears like a hawk. But you don't get good grades. That's what nerds do, get good grades. Cool people get bad grades. Ah! Ah! You're a teddy bear. Ah! We'll be right back. Scene 3. Meet the lobster. Hey, it's me, Brendan. I'm the special edition crab. As you can see, white outline. This is my bro, Brandon. Hi. Well, that was scene 3, called Meet the Lobster. Now get out of here! Ah! Bye. Hi, I'm the cool penguin. Coolest guy in school because I got sunglasses. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Hey, what's that? Is that? Do I hear footsteps? Hello. Who are you? Shell. Shell? What a stupid name. Peck, 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 peck. My beak hurts now. Where did you get that hard shell? I was born with it. I'm the special edition clan. That Brendan Charity traded him. All right, we now return you to your regular scheduled programs. Scene 4: Froggy and Ellie. Hop, 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 hop. Another technical difficulty. We have another technical difficulty. There was an empty pencil. Okay, guys. Sorry, you were just giggling again. We're giggly. Giggle. Hi! I'm Elephant! Fine, fine. And I'm Happy the Frog. You talk weird. Because I'm a girl! Ouch! I'm okay! Oops. Why do I have so many scars? Mommy! What are you doing with my daughter? Oh. Hi, I'm Frockers the Parrot. And I'm Mr. Naked. I'm this penguin named Mr. Nude that Brendan Charity has. His brother. Even though they live in different houses. I need to fly. Goodbye. Awkward. What can we do? I wonder where he is. Ah! Boosh. Boing, boing. Shut up! Hi, I'm Pinky the Seal. I'm Sophia. We're sisters. Yay! We should go shopping together. Oh yeah! I think we will. That was episode 2 of Squishy Land. Dun 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 dun. That was episode 2. Here's bye from me and Shane. Bye. I mean bye. Bye.